we're gonna try to fit this pillow into a really small box. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the Dyson, and it's got the wand. We're gonna vacuum it down into that bag.
21.
We're gonna see if that works. How big is it? It's 21. Okay. And it looks like it's about 3 feet.
35.
So it's a big pillow. That's like bigger than a king size. You wanna put it in the bag and see. I'm gonna try this out, see how it works. So you can vacuum things down like that, and then you pay a little less shipping if it's in a smaller container. So let's see here. Ready? I'm gonna.
You're gonna have to help.
Okay. Set it on there. Just gonna set the nozzle right on there. Go ahead, hit the.
Okay, help push down it so the pillow don't fold up.
Okay. Hold it here.
Push it with a wand.
Okay. Ready? Hit the button.
Here we go.
Go. There it goes. It's shaking. Oh yeah. Wow. Look how small that thing's getting. It's amazing. It's still shrinking. Keep going. Okay. Okay. Wow. Hey, that worked. Let's measure it now. Oh, that's pretty cool. This is a foam pillow. It's okay. It's 9 inches now by 12. 9 by 12. You could fit that in a 9 by 12 envelope. No, not really, but you could put that in a small envelope. Is that amazing? Dyson. Dyson worked pretty good. They got a good suction on them.